Video. Dim. Stop recording video. Button.
Hi. Hi guys. When my Freddie and his friend decided to make cookies tonight, I said to him, just go out and buy the cookies. I had to buy flour. I had to buy so much. Anyway, here's the cookies. And I have to say, when they came out of the oven, they were lovely. But, well, they're a bit stuck now. And I tasted them. And oh, they're so nice. And then my mouth went all funny. I went, have you put salt in them? He went, yeah, Mum. He doesn't know a teaspoonful from a tablespoonful to a oh, let me have a drink. I've had to drink. I've had these. They're like salt. I told him they're lovely. I said they were nice. Sorry. But I went, how much salt did you put in? Well, it said TSB, teaspoon. And then, so you've got a teaspoon, you've got a tablespoon, you've got a dessert spoon. You put a dessert spoonful in. Salt. He even bought some dime bars and crushed them up and put them in. As I was eating them, I know, was it lovely? I just wanted water. And I know if I eat the rest of it, I'll get currently heart attack. And he didn't even put a tablespoon in, he put a dessert spoon of salt in. And then he wasn't sure, so he added. I'm so sorry, he added more. Freddie's a... And he said, give them to the dogs. I said, Dave, give them to the dogs. Where's another one? I'm trying to get this other one stuck. I've got to go. Oh, I need to drink. I need to drink. I drunk gallons of water. I didn't eat one. Freddie, they were absolutely lovely. Oh, God. So nice. So if you want to learn how to make cookies, just get in touch with my son and his friend. Goodbye. Can you imagine pretending? I like you. Where's the water? It's gone to bed. Oh, I've got to go. Sorry. I'm so sorry.
Stop recording video. Stop recording video. Stop recording video. Button. Stop recording video.